Are you ready to get this money in 2022? If so, I suggest you stay tuned for today's video. Welcome everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, it's Bree here with Biz with Bree. This channel is all about entrepreneurship, small business growth, and using social media for business. If it sounds like something that you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Today's video is going to be about side hustles that you can do or partake in to increase your income, your wealth, your revenue in 2022. So the first side hustle that you can have is dividend income. Dividend income is income that you generate from stocks. Definitely want to look into investing. There are plenty of sites and apps that you can use for investing, such as Acorns. I use them where you invest small amounts. You can also use Robinhood. You have to invest, I think, certain amounts with them. So you can choose a platform where you would like to invest in and just start investing. Whether you get back 30 cents, 60 cents, $1 is still some type of income that you can show, and that income can grow into more. The second type of side hustle that you can partake in is being an independent contractor. Being an independent contractor, you can do a lot of things. You can work for Uber or DoorDash. You can be a virtual assistant. You can sell insurance. Definitely look into the different types of independent contracting that you can get into as a side hustle. The third side hustle that you can partake in is things like Turo, where you can rent out your car if you're not using it, if you have a newer car. I've actually seen some older cars on there that are less expensive, and some people choose an older car because they don't want that expensive bill. Otherwise, they can just go to a regular car rental agency. So if you have a newer car, or if your car is decent, if you have a backup car, this would be a great way for you to earn some extra income off of a car that's just sitting there not making you no money. You can use Airbnb or get into Perceive. So Perceive is like Airbnb, but you can rent for the hour instead of for the day. So if you have a nice home or a summer home you want to rent out for some hours, that is something you can definitely look into if you're comfortable with doing that. The next thing that you can do is sell merch. There are plenty of sites that you can go on, like Spring, or you can look into more personalized merch, but you can create designs and sell your own clothing. You could sell hats, you could sell t-shirts, you could sell outfits, you could sell mugs, fanny packs. You just have to decide what type of merch you would like to sell, and then you have to figure out how you're going to market that merch. If you already have a business, it can be something that you can tie into your business to be an extension of it and a part of your business model. Another side hustle that you can have in 2022 is starting your own YouTube channel. Yes, you can do it. You got this. If you want to know more about that, definitely check out this video up here where I talk about what you need to do to start a YouTube channel. But starting a YouTube channel can generate income. It is an investment, a time investment. It is for the long haul, but it definitely pays off in the long run. As I've seen plenty of my mentors here grow on YouTube, the longer you stay on the platform, the more consistent you are, you can make money in this, and you can actually turn you into a brand. You can also get into affiliate marketing with YouTube, whereas you have products or services that you like and you use and you recommend those, which I do. My links are in the comments. So the type of stand that I use for my videos, the type of applications that I use for batching my content, for my small business accounting software, the applications that you use, you can see if those companies have an affiliate program. I highly recommend that as you're starting on YouTube, you choose companies that have affiliate programs. That way, as you use their products, you can do videos about it and recommend them. And it's something that is genuine. Everything that I have links to in the description, I use myself. And I think that's what makes it more of so trusting, and it makes your community trust you more. Having a YouTube channel actually can land you brand deals or sponsorships, and it can also guide you into having your own business or expanding your business. Starting a YouTube channel is definitely an investment, but it can be a lucrative side hustle as well. My last side hustle that I think you can partake in 2022 is reselling. I personally do reselling. Well, I do the other ones as well. My biggest one that I partake in is reselling. I go to estate sales, I go to flea markets, I go to Salvation Army, I go wherever I can to get items at a cheaper price, and I resell them at a higher price. The way that I use reselling is I take the profits from what I sell and I use them for my boutique business. So times that I don't have sales, I can still cover my business expenses and not always have to come out of pocket. So if you have a business, you can use one of these side hustles to fuel your business or make it a part of your business model. For staying to the end, as always, I always have a goodie for you. I will have a checklist in the description that you can download, because I know this is like a lot to take in. You're like, oh my goodness, I need to write this down. But no, I got you. Don't have to write it down. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you'll be able to have this and reference in the future. And as always, thanks for tuning in for today's video. If you like the video, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. It helps YouTube know that this is a good video so they can push it out. It helps me grow as a brand and as a YouTuber. And as always, guys, be blessed, and I will see you in our next video.